The Jio True 5G Powered JioGlass truly transforms your life. Right from the moment you wake up. To doing your morning fitness routine. From how you get your daily updates to how you multitask on the go. From how you collaborate with your colleagues to how you stay connected with your family while you're at it. From revolutionizing the way you and your loved ones shop, as your favorite stores come home, to how your kids experience learning in a way that is not just fun, but interactive and immersive. From how you can learn along with gamers from around the world. To how you can take on gamers at home. And most importantly, how you spend quality time with yourself. Without getting in the way of your loved one's sleep.